Hello, my name is Ashtray Bentley, and today I'm going to share with you 3 of the best pieces of advice from the top producers.
For me, it's important to always have new textures and new sounds because everyone has the same gear, but it's all about using the gear in the way it's not supposed to be used.
So here, Flume is talking about using the tools that you have at your disposal creatively. For example, there's not a plugin that's going to make you sound like no one else. You're going to have to experiment and use things in a different way in order to achieve a new result. Ultimately, this boils down to your musical taste. So the decisions that you make and the sounds you decide to keep or get rid of is going to inform how your music is going to sound, not necessarily what tools you're working with.
I think mixing vocals and writing vocals is like a Bob Ross painting where gradually the good result comes into focus. It doesn't snap into place until well into the process.
So right here, Porter Robinson is talking about vocal chains and mastering those. I think it can be applied to any part of the process. Basically, here he's talking about just trusting the process, and spending the time to really understand how a thing is done can help you gain tremendous confidence. So here he's talking about vocals, and vocals can really make or break a track because we can relate to them so personally. This is a part of the process that you can very easily get discouraged in, but it's tremendously important to trust the process and just see in the beginning it might not seem like a lot, but as you shade and color, it can really take shape and transform. So here Skrillex is doing an Instagram live video of some music he's working on, and what he's doing is he's singing the melody that he hears in his head. And what this is doing is it's allowing him to get the idea out of his head and into the song as quick and clean as possible. Now, another big part of this is it engages a certain mindset when you're creating music, and that's a more judgment-free mindset. So whether it's a melody, bass line, or drums, beatboxing, it's really important to be able to express that and get those ideas out. Because also, an idea that you have in your head isn't gonna last forever because thoughts come and go. So ideas can come and go too, and it might be impossible to drum that back up. So it's really important to just get that out quick as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this was very helpful, and I'll see you next time.